Kind of hit that one wrong. Hey guys, welcome back to RC Brucey. As you can see here, I got some new leads. We're gonna try them out today. Hopefully they're gonna be a lot stronger and they're gonna hold up a lot better. It's a big problem with the Revo here. The links like to break a lot.
The sun's here, Dad.
Hey, that's right. Tuck's here again, bashing with us. We're gonna try some stuff out. Whoa! Thanks, buddy. Oh, Tuck's got some power going on there now. Whoa. You gotta let off the gas, buddy, remember?
Yeah, but...
Oh, that was a good job. Very good job. Uh-oh. Something just cut out on my car. Let's go check it out. I'm thinking one of the batteries came unplugged. Whoa.
Hey, Daddy. Dad?
What's up, buddy? Hang on. Let's see what's going on.
Is your thing still on camera?
Yeah, that's right. It's still on camera. That's what happened. It came unplugged. No big deal. We got battery extensions going on down here. I haven't soldered in different connectors yet. So sometimes I barely made that turn. Oops. Forgot to turn the car on. Silly me. All right, back in business. Go hit some jumps, buddy. Whoa. Come over here, buddy, so I don't hit you. Oh, and the car shut off again. Come on, man. Come on, man. I just want to bash. Maybe if we don't wrap it up and around there. Hang on, buddy. Over and over and over again. Definitely gonna solder those new connectors, and I'll tell you that. Whoa! How close can you get to your RC car? Woo! Good job, buddy. Oh no, did it break on the ramp?
Yeah, look.
Holy cow, you're right, it did. We're gonna have to fix that, buddy.
Did they?
Maybe. Well, almost a head on. Whoa, buddy.
I'm trying to catch up.
Nice. Some nice air. So far the links are holding up, Tuck. The links are holding up. Whoa, that was close. Oh man, upside down again, Tuck. Oh, you all caught up in the net, bud? Uh-oh. Caught up in the net. We had to make some adjustments. There you go, Tuck. Tuck got caught in the soccer net over there. We got him unstuck. And then the backside of our ramp is totally blown out from the trucks hitting it. Looks like we broke the middle support, so we're gonna stop using that. We took our other ramp and we're gonna be hitting this one and clearing stuff.
We put the white ramp on the blue ramp.
That's right.
We get more air.
That's right. Whoa, Tuck. That was crazy, dude.
Yeah, it's called a backbreaker.
Backbreaker? That's a good name for that jump. Lit off the gas, buddy, remember? Hit the brake, it'll bring your nose down, right? Whoa, tumbly wombly. Oh, almost. Whoa, whoa, buddy, whoa.
Backflip.
Did you do a backflip? See if that Rustler survives today. Obviously, Tuck's in the mood for smashing and bashing. Refuses a little off the gas. Whoa, what the heck was that, Tuck? Easy on the gas, buddy. Easy on the gas. Oh, buddy. All right, you're gonna end up breaking your car. Oh, come on. Boy, that ramp, the way it is, just naturally makes you want to do a backflip. I see why you're doing backflips now, buddy. Just the ramp.
Daddy, stop.
Okay, buddy, I got you.
Dad, backing in the leaves over there.
Ooh.
Back.
You just saw that nasty hit. Let's take a look at the links. Oh, what the heck was that? Oh, it's the old tree we cut down. Still got part of the stump there. Now, if that's not a test for a set of links, I don't know what is. Let's bring it up here and take a look.
That's how I jumped the clam.
Looking pretty good, all nice and straight. Just saw that nasty thing we just hit there with the stump and that nasty jump. But anyway, I think we're gonna stop it there. What do you say, Tuck? Thanks for watching RC Brucey. Hit the like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys.